All right, we are at Eastern Washington University. What is special about this place?
Me and you met here.
We met, and actually right behind us is Dressler Hall, where we lived in the dorms back in 2007. And look what happened. We ended up with 6 children since we met here in 2007, which is crazy. So we're visiting. Melissa went to the Jason Mraz concert yesterday, and we are over here in Cheney walking around campus with 3 of the kids, the older 3 at Great Wolf Lodge. So a lot of people call these dorms the beer cans. So we're gonna get over here and take a picture. Over there's the football field, which has the red turf. So this is the pub. This is like completely remodeled and completely different from when we went. Like this whole area is totally different. But it looks like more pedestrian friendly, that's for sure. And the inside I think is really nice. Yeah, this literally looks nothing like it used to. And then they have a Panda Express, which they did not have Panda Express when we went here. It was actually like down this hallway, I think, was where they had like a little Mexican restaurant and a grocery store, which is not there anymore. So the Eagle store has also been updated. Oh, let me get your picture. Say hi, Swoop. I really like that Mickey shirt. Hi, Cam. Yeah, this is like so much nicer than when we went here. Like, look at this stuff for your house. Cute like decorations to show that you are a proud Eagle family. Proud. Love. Eastern Washington mom. Eastern Washington dad. And then you walk out to the pub, and then you're in this like, I guess, main part of the campus here. And there's a huge Eastern sign over here. Yep, there's that famous sign right there. And like this building back here was remodeled. I don't remember what that one was called. The library is over there. Tawanka's over there. And I don't think that you can eat at Tawanka anymore. Melissa's famous saying, "It's a great day to be an Eagle," up on this sign. Yes, every day. Always got reminded that it's a great day to be an Eagle. All the buildings are really beautiful though.
They really are. They're gorgeous.
Just like campus in general is really beautiful. So we're at this park here, the World War II Memorial, right off campus, because what's better than a playground, right? So this is the rec center. This opened, this was like brand new in our sophomore year, right? The rec center. So it's got like a hockey rink, a gym, there's a restaurant. And this was like super nice when it first opened. I mean, it still is nice, but the roast was super good. They had really yummy like green beans, like fried green beans there. So this is the hockey rink. But look, they're putting a basketball court down. Oh, they're removing the basketball court right now to make it hockey again. So that's cool. You know, that's how the basketball courts come in all those little pieces. All right, this is the 2 queen room at Northern Quest Casino. So you walk in, on your left is your bathroom. This fancy blue shelf. Blue lights make everything fancy. And this shower looks amazing. So you enter here, and then it has like a, see if I can turn it on. Oh yeah. Get attacked by water. I love it. So, I'm already making a mess. And then come through here, they've got a closet. Looks like extra bedding up here. A robe. Comes with a baby and a stroller. I think these little cabinets, shelves. It's a mini fridge, that's nice. And as well as like a little bit of a dresser here and a safe if you win any money at the casino. And then 2 queen beds on this room. And this one does have actually, which is kind of cool, a wireless charger for your phone, which is nice. Notepad, a phone. And then over here is this tall window, which is kind of cool. The window, if you can see, it's very close to the ground, but a decent room. And this hotel, we'll show you the pool as well. There's the pool area. The hot tub, the pool, towels. So from the first floor, you exit right over here if you're going to a concert, and it's literally right there is the concert venue. Over here is the new river tower that just opened like a month ago. Like, yeah, this is gonna be super convenient for both. Right there, hi! Hey, Keith! Are you having fun? Yeah! All right, we just got done at, I think it's called Shadle Park, where that was a free, that whole water slide area was free, which is awesome. So City of Spokane, good job with the parks. The kids had a blast. Did you have fun at the water slides? Yeah? So now we're actually heading to Liberty Lake to go on a hike to Liberty Lake Falls with my friend Mike. So that should be fun. We'll take some videos while we're there. Are you excited to go hiking?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna be so fun. Are you tired? Yeah, me too. But you can do it, right? Yeah. All right, we're about almost 4 miles in. We're doing great. Yeah, I can see. So this is the falls. Cody, stop, buddy. All right, so we are walking the Liberty Loop in Liberty Lake, Washington. We're about 8 miles in, going through this cool marshland. And Carter, you've done the whole hike, haven't you, buddy? But just look, this is so cool. Mind you, I'm convinced that my friend Mike might be taking us out here to kill us. It's gotta be creepy down here though. All right, Carter, we made it. We did the whole hike. Well, I've been carrying you for a little bit, but you hiked most of it. Did you have fun? Yeah, you guys did so good. We were gone for like 4.5 hours. So that's it for today, but tomorrow morning, heading into Spokane itself and visiting Riverfront Park. All right, we're in Spokane at Riverfront Park at the Ice Age Floods Playground. Check this place out. It's like massive playground. They got a sand pit here, huge slides, more slides over here. It's a basketball court back here. Super fun. Right now it's about 75 out. It's supposed to be 91 today, so it's a good time to be at the park. So now walking across the Spokane River on this pedestrian bridge. Isn't this cool, Carter? And down here is the, come look at the waterfall, Carter. Down there is the Spokane Falls. It's beautiful. So I worked at this movie theater at this mall at River Park Square. And the theater's up on the 4th and 5th level. We have Ben & Jerry's, we're getting some ice cream. Hey guys, we're back from Spokane. We had a fun trip. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like and comment down below what you enjoyed about it. It's I don't know what to expect. I don't even know if this is a good video or not, but if you enjoyed it, give it a like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.